Hey all! So I'm here today to give you a quick tutorial on my Sitting Pretty Halo hair extension. For those of you that don't know me, I am a big Jeeper, and typically I am a Jeep hair, don't care kind of gal. However, sometimes we do want to care just a little bit. In my situation, I am on a 3-week trip with my husband, and every night they have receptions and banquets and cocktail parties and that sort of thing. And so since I am away from the Jeep life for a couple of weeks, then I wanted to just kind of pretty myself up and just be a little bit more extra. So I purchased my Sitting Pretty Halo extension, and I wanted to show you gals how to actually install this. So the Sitting Pretty Halo extension, it comes in this nice little pretty box. Inside you are of course going to get your hair piece. I did go with the thick piece because I have fine hair, and so I wanted to give myself as much volume and as much length as possible. So I did go with the thick version. Inside the box, you're also going to get a comb with a point on the end, which is to help you with installation. And we'll talk about that a little bit more in just a few minutes. And then they also send you a ton, probably 10 of these extra cables or wires, okay, that's gonna go onto the hairpiece for installation. And there's all these different sizes, so they give you 2 options. One is just a firm wire, and then the other is like a stretchy wire. I have chosen at this point to use a firm wire. I haven't played around enough with the stretchy wires just yet, but the way that these go on, now they will already come with a wire installed for you, but if you don't like the size, then you can change it out. So what happens is there's this band that holds all of the hair in, and this is real Remy hair. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's very, very soft. Each time that I wear it, I can't seem to keep my hands out of it. But then these hooks, they actually just go inside this little band here, and then they hook into these little pockets. All right, and then you take it around to the other side. Like I said, you'll already have one installed when you receive your Sitting Pretty. And then you just to show you how easy it is to change out the sizes. All right, and then you just loop that in there. Now, so, and that's it. Now, I'm gonna show you how I install mine. Now, you can, in fact, curl this hair. You can wash this hair. You can straight iron this hair. You can do all the things to this hair that you would your normal hair. The instructions say that you can actually, that if you wash it, that this comes industrially flat ironed, okay? And it's very, very straight and very, very pressed. I like mine to have body and curls, so I curled mine. I just hung it on the edge of a chair, and then I just put curls in it all the way around. And then I curled my hair, and then that way it all matched up and worked out nice and pretty. All right, so the Sitting Pretty tutorial actually tells you to place the cable directly on your head, and then to use this comb and go along the line of the cable and pull it out, okay, and then fluff it over. That's what the instructions say with Sitting Pretty. However, I have found that that kind of doesn't work really well for me. So what I am doing is I will actually put this up, and I'll show you how. So now they say that the cable should go about 1 inch back from your hairline is where the cable should sit. And then you want the band to sit on this, I think it's called the something bone. I can't remember. It starts with an O, but it's these little knots back here at the back of your head is where the band wants to sit, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go about 1 inch back. Now y'all forgive me. My hair has not been washed, and I've slept on it, so it's kind of ratty. So let's see. So you're gonna go down, and what you're gonna do is go about 1 inch back, and then you're just gonna draw a line all the way down and around your crown. And now I try to pick the biggest part of my hair up because your hair is what holds, the cable sits here on the top of your head, and then your hair is what actually sits over top of the band to hold it down. All right, so now I'm gonna pull all of this up. Just like so. I'll twist it up and get it up and out of the way. Like I said, I curled my hair normally. I had it curled yesterday. But normally I'll just curl it up nice and pretty so that it looks good. All right, and then you want some of this to be out in the front because that's gonna sit around it. So now you just take that cable and you're gonna drape it right over top of the little poof that you've just made, all right? Oh, I'm stuck, okay. So now you're gonna put that right in the front, just like that. And then you'll press this down and around. Down and around what you've just pulled up. All right, just like that. And then pull the clip. And then now I'll just straighten this up and around it, or let it fall down and around. And then I'll straighten my pieces and I'm good to go, just like that. Once you get your piece, you do need to take it to your stylist and have them match it up for you. So the cool thing is that you can send pictures to Sitting Pretty and they will actually recommend the best color for you and for your hair. And I did that, but I wanted something a little bit more edgy. So I took it to my stylist and what they did is just balayage the ends of mine. So the ends of mine are blonde in the back, so it fades down nice and pretty. And then also if you've got a blunt cut, they're gonna need to kind of edge that up just a little bit or layer it up just a little bit. And then I also had my extensions layered up just a tiny bit to match the rest of my hair so it's not just very, very blunt. So now once I curl it or fix it, then it all blends off nice and pretty. And then it's all down my back. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Oh, let me show you how easy it is to take out. And you just put your finger there and pull it. Ta-da! And then it's out. Simple as pie. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned. I'll actually, like I said, I'm traveling for the next 3 weeks and I will give you guys a 3-week review in a few weeks. I'll do another video just to show you how well it actually worked out. Like I said, I'm gonna be wearing it a lot of places, beaching, gym, all that sort of thing. So I'll definitely put some wear and tear and some miles on it and I'll let you know how it actually, how it holds up, okay? I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and I hope that this was helpful. So, see you later.